In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Dorik website. If you're building on Dorik and want your text to match your brand, this guide will show you exactly where to click and what to look for, so your headings and paragraphs are clean, consistent, and easy to read. Start by heading to the Dorik login page and signing into your account. If you see a prompt that says something like sign in as, go ahead and click it. If you use Google to sign in, choose your Google account when prompted and complete the authentication. Once you're in, you'll land on your dashboard. From the dashboard, open the site you want to work on by clicking Edit Site. This takes you into the visual builder where you can make changes and immediately see them on the page. On the canvas, select the text block you want to edit. Click directly on the text element so its settings panel appears. If your section has multiple layers, use the element outline or breadcrumb at the top of the builder to make sure you're targeting the exact text block you intend to change. With the text block selected, look to the settings panel and open the advanced section. This expands more styling controls that aren't visible by default and gives you full access to typography options. Inside Advanced, choose Fonts and Typography. This is where you manage the look and feel of your text. You'll see controls for font family, size, weight, line height, and more. Today we'll focus on the font family so you can quickly swap the typeface. Open the Font Family dropdown. Dorik includes a range of web-safe and hosted fonts, and you can scroll or use the search field to find a specific name. As you preview options, keep an eye on your live canvas so you can judge readability, spacing, and overall balance. Click the font you want to use. The change applies to the selected text block right away. Take a moment to scan the section and confirm that letter shapes, spacing, and weight feel right with your design. If you're updating multiple areas, repeat this selection on other text blocks for consistency. A few quick tips as you wrap up. Limit your site to 2 or 3 complementary fonts, use heavier weights for headings and lighter weights for body text, and check the result on mobile and tablet previews to ensure legibility across devices. That's it, your font is updated in Dorik. Thanks for watching and enjoy refining your site's typography.